Hi guys, I have this construction toys. Got it from Shopee, around 300 pesos I think, 300 or going 400. Just had it washed and dried, and just to be safe for long. These things are from China. Little boy, I have something for you. Look, take it. Down here. I have something for you, little boy. Oh, what's that? Oh, it's a wheel loader. Oh, here's more. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more. Oh, it's another heavy equipment. Another one. Surprise! Whoa, what's that? It's a tractor. Yes, very good. Excavator. Very good. He knows his construction vehicles. Huh? Oh no! Hala, what have you done? Sige. Papa will take care of that. Sige.
Dump truck.
It's a dump truck. You do that lang daw. What's that?
Water.
There's a roller. Here, you can play it here. Here. There's more? Oh, there's two more.
More. Garbage truck.
Yes, it's a garbage truck. Open! Yes.
Oh no.
Oh no. Can be open, little boy, oh. Chooch.
A dump truck.
One last one.
That's one.
That's a.
What's that?
Yes, it's a forklift. Oh, and you're wearing a. What's this in your shirt? What's that?
Water.
It's a bulldozer, little boy. It's a roller.
Water.
You can do that on her. A forklift. Yeah, this one.
The mower.
Huh?
The mower.
It's a wheel loader. Look, it's a wheel loader. And this one is a tractor. This one is a
Dump truck.
yeah, it's a dump truck. I don't know what the name of this one. This one is a
Garbage truck.
yes, it's a garbage truck. Yeah. It's an excavator. Ah, and it's on tracks. Yes. There's so many toys. Count. You go count. One. You go try again. Count. This is 1, 2,
9,
Yay! Very nice. What's this one? What's this one?
Tractor.
It's a tractor.
Farm tractor.
Yes, it's a farm tractor.
Dapat tractor.
Tractor. Okay, okay. Okay, what's this next thing? Oh, what's this one?
Lawnmower.
Oh,
Lawnmower.
it's a wheel loader. That's a wheel loader. Yo! What's this third one? What's this one? It's a forklift. Oh, hola! Oh no! What have you done? Oh no! Okay, okay. Skip that one. What's this one?
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck. Open, open, open a garbage truck.
Garbage truck. Open the garbage truck.
Having
Top 10. Top 10. Oh,
Oh, oh.
cat.
Hey.
Oh, green.
Mm. And what's this one? It's a
Jackhammer.
It's a jackhammer, like. juk, 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 juk. And your favorite, what's this one?
Excellent.
Excavator.
Track. Water.
Yeah,
That's
it's a roller.
for some pumpkin.
And the last one, what's that one? What's that one?
Dump truck.
It's a dump truck.
Open dump truck.
Open dump truck. Go. Oh no, no, no. That's enough.
Oh no.
You're too strong for your toys, little boy.
Some truck. So many cars.
So many cars. What's the color?
Yellow.
Yellow. What's the color?
Black.
Black. Yellow and black.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow. Yellow.
Tracks.
Tracks. Oh, those are tracks. These are?
Tracks.
Huh? These are?
Tracks.
No, no, this one, this one, this one.
Tracks.
This one.
Tracks.
Big.
Wheels.
Wheels and tires. Those are? This one? This one?
Yeah.
Tracks. Very good. You like it?
Oh.
Oh.
Garbage truck.
Garbage truck.
Oh, somebody. Oh no, not.
Oh, you go clean it up. Put it in the bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 construction vehicles. Well done. Good job.
Vehicle.
Construction vehicles. What do you call this one?
Roller.
It's
For
a
some
roller.
pumpkin.
Yes, it's
For
a
some
roller.
pumpkin.
What do you call this one?
Farm tractor.
It's a farm tractor.
Tractors.
What do you call this one?
Jackhammer.
It's a jackhammer. What do you call this one? One of your favorites. Excavator, and this excavator has
Tracks.
on tracks. What do you call this one?
Dump truck.
It's a dump truck. What do you call this one?
Reloader.
It's a wheel loader. How about this one?
Forklift.
It's a forklift.
Rubber.
And what do you call this one again?
Garbage
It's
truck.
a garbage truck. Very good, little boy.
Some the garbage
What's
truck.
the sound of the garbage truck?
Garbage truck.
Garbage trucks. You can drive around town, picking cans above the ground. Garbage truck.